Teachers, want your students to be more engaged? It's time to bring hands-on learning into your classroom. According to Jan Ingmeyer, learning by doing helps students perform better. When kids use their bodies in the learning process, they understand concepts better. So, how can we make learning more interactive? First, set up science experiments. Kids love getting their hands dirty and seeing results in real time. Next, encourage creativity through art projects. Let them explore different materials and techniques. Games and activities also make learning fun and collaborative. And don't forget field trips. Take learning outside the classroom to museums or parks. Role-playing and simulations can help explain complex ideas. And always plan. Create planning sheets and involve your students in the process. Give roles during activities to make them feel responsible. And yes, AI can help. Ask AI to generate lists of hands-on activities tailored to your needs. Motivate, inspire, and transform your classroom today. Hands-on learning is the key to fostering engagement and creativity among students. Encourage more hands-on activities in your classroom.